And welcome to another Crypto Rocket video. Today we will be discussing overpowered finance, and it's really going to be more of an update on this project because I already did a video on it where I talk a little bit about what it is, how it works, why it's so great. So if you haven't seen that, you can go to my channel and check out that earlier video. But today I really wanted to go through an update on this, and I'll explain why in a moment. So first things first, I want to make sure that you know that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is simply for educational purposes and entertainment purposes. Okay, so let's get started. So just a quick recap. This is, don't really want to say a Safuu or Titano fork because it's so much more than that. But the beginning is similar. It's got a fixed 400% APY, which is obviously very, very attractive to most people. It's got a similar looking app and website. So in that sense, it's quite similar, but they are, of course, planning a lot more over here. So when you look at the roadmap, they really are going for, way more, something way more complex and advanced. It's not going to be just a token with an APY, but, they are going to be introducing a broader overpowered ecosystem, including, holder only and for higher charting tools. And the first few launches with the OP Launchpad, holders will have a range of incentives for both services as well as a new source of holding income. And they do have this 13-year roadmap and the metaverse, which is all really, really exciting. It shows that they're quite serious about this. They have thought it through. It's not just a simple token with an APY, but really something a lot more complex and special than that, which is why personally I'm quite bullish on this project. But the reason why I wanted to give you guys an update today is really because of this chart right here. And I think, to be honest, last time I did the video, we were somewhere up here. And I mentioned in that video, if you are looking to get into this project, it's probably not the best time. And I said I would wait a day or two because most likely what you are going to see is a big drop. And this is exactly what happened. And this is perfectly normal. It doesn't mean anything about, the sort of healthiness of the project or anything like that. It's just that when the project starts at the very beginning, all projects like this have the same kind of pattern, which is there's a huge spike when there is, the beginning, the hype, everyone buys, then the initial investors begin to sell, there's a big sell-off, and that's what happened over here, which is why I mentioned, a few days ago, it's probably not the best time to buy. Wait a couple of days, wait till it drops. Now it has dropped, and there seems to be, quite a bit of support here in this area between, $4.50 and $5. So it seems that, it's that the big drop seems to have ended, and you have this, two bottoms over here, and it seems that it's starting to sort of at least stay steady. So this is exactly what I was waiting for. I was waiting for this confirmation that this drop is now over and that it's not going to drop down to, the $2 level. And it seems to me like, of course, it can still keep dropping, but it seems to me like the biggest drop is now over, which is why I'm personally going to start investing in this project now because I think it's a good time. Looking at all the other, Libero Finance, Titano Finance, Safuu, and so on, they, after this drop, they then had a much more steady rise back up and well above this level. So that's really what I'm hoping for over here and why I'm quite bullish on it. And that is the main reason why I wanted to give this video, is to give you guys an update on it. Last time I said maybe wait a couple of days. It's now been a couple of days, and to me, this is really a good time to invest, which is why I'm going to be investing in this project right now. But of course, do your own research. And of course, these are very early, this is a very early project. It can still be very risky. But to me, it looks like it's a pretty good entry point right now. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to find more, high risk, high reward opportunities such as this one. I tend to make videos nearly every day with new projects. A lot of them are time sensitive, so feel free to turn on your notifications as well so that you find out as soon as I post new videos, because a lot of them, it's really good to buy on the day that that these projects come out, or a few days later when I talk about them. So hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great day.